Let's talk about the 10 best personal loans for bad credit. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as superb as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about the top 10 personal loans for bad credit. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, please check out our evaluation method. We have a rigorous approach to evaluate and gauge all the loans that we are talking about in today's show. Check this out. All right, number 10, UpLoans, and this is best for flexible loan amounts. We have scored this company 8 over 10. The pros of this company is that this is bad or poor credit is not an obstacle to approval. Applying does not impact your FICO credit scores, and there are no prepayment penalties. On the con side of the drawbacks, the maximum loan amount is $4,000, so that's kind of low, especially if you're having an emergency and you need more money. $4,000 is kind of low, but yeah. And another disadvantage of UpLoans is that the interest rates are much higher than traditional personal loans. So UpLoans offers personal loans that can be used for several purposes, including car repairs, household expenses, paying rent, medical expenses, major purchases, and sometimes even consolidating and paying off other loans. The thing here you have to understand is that UpLoans offers online installment loans for bad credit borrowers nationwide. Now, these personal loans are designed as alternatives to payday loans at interest rates that are not quite as high, but disbursement that is just still very fast. So that could be a good option. UpLoans, number 10. Number 9, LendingPoint. This is wonderful also for bad credit. We have scored this company 8 over 10. The pros of this company: loan funds are available as soon as 1 day after approval, so 24 hours is pretty good. Borrowers with fair credit may qualify. Fair or bad credit may qualify. The drawbacks, the cons: LendingPoint does not allow co-signers, and you must have a credit history of at least 24 months and a job history of at least 12 months to qualify. So even if you have bad credit, you still need to have a history that is at least 2 years old. And you need to be working. And LendingPoint may charge an origination fee. That's the drawback here. And so in terms of loan amounts, the loan amounts are kind of generous here. They range from $2,000 to $25,000. The repayment terms range from 24 to 48 months. We love LendingPoint because this company has an A+ BBB rating, and their loans cover everything from consolidation of debts to home improvements to weddings, vacations, moving costs, and medical expenses. Number 8, personalloans.com. We gave this company 8.5 over 10. The loans, they give loans from $500 to $35,000, and they accept all credit types, including the bad credit types, and they have a large lender network. And we love the fact that they have national coverage, so they are available in all 50 states. And they don't actually ask you why you need the loan. You can use the loan for any purpose. And they have a fast loan decision and funding as soon as 1 business day. One thing we also love here is that personal loans can find offers for larger personal loans of up to $35,000. And your offer amount, if any, will depend on your credit history, income, and applicable state law. Personal Loans Lender Network offers peer-to-peer loans, personal installment loans, and personal bank loans. So many of the loan providers offer repayment terms from 90 days to 72 months and APRs up to 35.99%. Number 7, Wells Fargo personal loan. We have rated this service at 8.5 over 10. Now, Wells Fargo is one of the top traditional banks that we know we have in the United States and worldwide. And so this well-known bank offers many of the conveniences of online lenders, including a completely electronic application process, but they also provide the security of one of the nation's largest financial institutions, right? So if you have a current account with the bank, a relationship discount may even apply. That's something we love. And because the bank is large, the bank has some kind of financial heft already, loans available are more generous. So they can fund you. Wells Fargo can fund you from $3,000 to $100,000. The funds are often deposited the next business day. They have a fixed APR, and even better, no collateral is required. And a Wells Fargo personal loan offers a fixed APR, fixed terms, and fixed monthly payments. All right. So this is and on the company's website they put a representative's example. For example, you might borrow $11,000 over 3 years at 12.99% APR, and this will result in a monthly payment of $370.58 over the life of the loan. There are no loan origination fees or prepayment penalties with the Wells Fargo personal loan. Number 6, we have Avant. Now we love Avant because, and we've scored this company 9 over 10. Since 2012, Avant has made personal loans nationwide to more than 800,000 borrowers, and consumers may qualify with fair, poor to excellent credit and can borrow from $2,000 to $35,000. Now, what are the pros of this of Avant? Loans as low as $2,000 are available, and funding can happen as early as the next business day after acceptance. On the flip side, the drawbacks: Avant does not accept co-signers, and Avant may charge an administration fee for personal loans. We kind of like the wide range of loan offers they have. They will cover everything from debt consolidation to emergency expenses, home improvements, moving, and other life events. In terms of the highlights, so the minimum FICO score is 580. It hovers between 520 and 580, and the repayment terms 24 to 60 months. And this is a company that has an A- when it comes to the BBB rating. Number 5, MoneyMutual. We gave this company a score of 9 over 10. The great thing about MoneyMutual is that it's available in all states except New York and Connecticut. They give you a short-term loans up to $2,500. Of course, the loan is kind of small, but it's the fastness, if you will, the how fast, the speed with which the loans are approved, and also the fact that they have a strong customer service network to actually help borrowers and also help them get back on track. So MoneyMutual is an online marketplace of lenders, and funds are available, as I just said, in as few as 24 hours. So a simple online form takes less than 5 minutes. And MoneyMutual is trusted by more than 2 million customers. And the good thing, what we like with the company here, is that the different loan offers may have a variety of payment terms from which to choose. I'll be right back right after this. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation around the top 10 personal loans for bad credit in this year, and we want to say at number 4, we have Payoff. Now, Payoff is pretty cool if you have bad credit, if you have credit card debt, and if you're suffering from a mountain of credit card debt, you might be best suited for a Payoff personal loan for debt consolidation. Now, Payoff keeps fees to a minimum. That's a good pros here. There are no fees for a late payment, paying off your loan early, or paying by check. On the cons, even though you can get a payoff loan with fair credit or bad credit, its minimum credit score requirement sometimes hovers between 580 to 640, which is on the higher end of a fair credit score if you think about it. Payoff loans can also be used for credit card debt consolidation, so it's not a good choice if you're looking to use a personal loan for emergency expenses or home improvements, right? Because payoff only caters to credit card debt payoffs. And in some cases, they will send the check directly to the credit card issuer. And so minimum credit score, 550, that's the average. Estimated APR, 5.99% to 24.99%. The loan amounts can range from $5,000 to $40,000. The term lengths fluctuate between 2 to 5 years, and the origination fee ranges between 0 to 5%. Number 3, Peerform. Peerform, we have given this company a 9.5 over 10. This is our score. The pros: some borrowers with a fair or poor credit may qualify. Borrowers can complete the entire loan process online. Everything is done on the internet. They have a great app. You can even do it on mobile, and this is fantastic. On the con side, on the disadvantage side, Peerform does not accept co-signers, and the lender charges an origination fee. Before you apply, make sure that you have a credit score between 500 to 720. The average is 600. Loan amounts, as I said earlier, the loan amounts will range from $4,000 to $25,000. The repayment terms vary, and Peerform has an A+ with a triple B rating. One thing you have to understand is that the personal loan options offered by Peerform, especially when it comes to bad credit, are pretty diverse. Common loan uses include consolidating debt, credit card refinancing, making home improvements or major purchases, and car financing. Number 2, LendingClub. Now, we gave this company a perfect 10 over 10. LendingClub has processed more than $44 billion in loans since 2007. Now, borrowers with poor, fair to excellent credit in 49 states can access LendingClub loans from $1,000 to $40,000. What are the pros of this company? Loans of $1,000 or more are available. Joint applications are accepted. If you remember, with other lenders did not accept co-signers, but LendingClub does accept them. So you can have a joint application. That's pretty cool. And borrowers can qualify with poor, fair, or excellent credit. And the cons here: LendingClub charges an origination fee for all personal loans. Variable rate loans are not available, and loans are available up to $40,000. So if you have bad credit and you're looking for a loan above $40,000, LendingClub might not be the right place for you. And the thing here is that LendingClub personal loans for bad credit can be used for almost any major expense, including paying off credit cards, consolidating debt, supporting special events, completing unexpected home repairs, or covering medical bills. Number one, the best personal loan for bad credit available out there is LendingTree. We have given this company a perfect score of 10 over 10, and LendingTree is perhaps the largest and most recognizable name in the online lending pool. LendingTree has been known for its mortgage-related products, but nowadays it also does process personal loans for bad credit. The lending network also provides personal loans for things from debt consolidation to auto financing and even small business loans. And the cool thing here is that you can have access to loans of up to $35,000 available if you're a qualified applicant. Rates range from 6% to 36%. No collateral is ever required. That's pretty cool, right? And they can approve you within minutes. And the application process can take as little as 5 minutes. And they have a strong online platform, including mobile. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are about to wrap up today's show. So here you have it, the top 10 personal loans for bad credit out there. Number 1, LendingTree, 10 over 10. Number 2, LendingClub, 10 over 10. Number 3, Peerform, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, Payoff, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, MoneyMutual, 9 over 10. Number 6, Avant, 9 over 10. Number 7, Wells Fargo personal loan, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, personalloans.com, 8.5 over 10 score. Number 9, LendingPoint, 8 over 10. And number 10, UpLoans, 8 over 10. Really appreciate having you around today. I hope you enjoyed and found value in our show. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.